Hi guys, okay, this is the last of these three rules, the area of a triangle rule. And again guys, it's related to this triangle with ABC being located where they are, as in little a is across from big A, little b across from big B, etc. And it's just the area is a half AB sine C. So we can use this formula guys, and over here in the key points, we can use this formula for any triangle. You're probably used to a half base times height, which is actually where this formula comes from. But like for example here, I don't have the height, I just have an angle. Well, I have angles and sides, but I can use this formula to find the area. And here guys, it says used to find the area when you know two sides and the angle between them. So I need two sides, that's the half AB, sine C would be this angle. Or you could say half BC sine A or half AC sine B. It's two sides, angle between them. Here, two sides, angle between them. But again, I don't have that angle, but I can fairly easily calculate it, guys. So I'll do 180 minus 71 minus 42. I am going to, guys, use a calculator here because I don't want to mess this up. 180 minus 71 minus 42 is 67. Okay, so this angle here is 67 degrees. So now I can go, fine, area is equal to a half AB sine C. So a half 7 times 10 times sine 67, which is equal to, well, I can do that on the calculator, guys. I can do a half is 0.5 times 7 times 10 times sine 67, sine 67, close brackets, 32.22. Let's round it to two decimal places, 32.22. And that's area, guys. So that would be, if these were centimeters, centimeters squared, or meters squared, or whatever it would happen to be. Okay, that's it, guys. That's the rule. Now, I did tell you I was going to do some past paper questions in this lesson, so I'm going to use this past paper question, and you'll see they often do this, guys. They combine, and it's one of the harder questions because it's question 19, but in my opinion there are worse questions than these because we have the formulae. So they very often combine area of a triangle with sine rule, cosine rule, and you have to kind of figure out which one to use. And in this case, they've actually given us the area of triangle ACD. So they've given us the area of this triangle, and they say calculate the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So they want the full thing. I have this one. Basically, I need to find the area of this triangle here. Okay, now to find the area of this triangle, I need two sides, and I don't actually even have one side, so this is going to be tricky. How do I find one side? Well, certainly I'm going to use this 250 first, and I think, guys, we're going to use it to find this side here. Let's call it x, because remember what I said about half AB sine C. It's this side times the sine of the angle between them. So I'm going to say area. Let's write the formula first. It's a half AB sine C. So the area I have, it's 250, and that's equal to a half times A, which is 26, times B, which is x, let's just put it in a bracket for now, times sine C, which is sine 39. Okay, now you could put all this, guys, in, you could do this in one step, but I'm just going to add another step here where I say a half of 26 is 13. So I'm going to say it's 13x sine 39 degrees. And then to find x, I am going to divide by the 13 and the sine 39 in one go. So I hope this makes sense, guys. I'm going to divide by the 13 and the sine 39. And I get x is equal to 250 over 13 times sine 39, close brackets, and I get 30.558 because it's 99, guys. I'm not going to round to two decimal places here. I'm going to round to more because I'm not finished the question. So it's 30.558. I would even do more if it wasn't 99 at the end. Ultimately, I want 3 significant figures, guys, but we're not at the end yet, so definitely don't round to 3 significant figures yet. Okay, now I have x. So I have x, but remember what I said, I need another side, guys, if I am going to use the I need another side, sorry, if I'm going to use the area of the triangle rule. So I could either find this side or this side. Either way, I need this angle, guys. So let's just do that first. I need this angle here. Same kind of thing. This is in a triangle, so I can do 180. Let's just do it up here. 180 minus 95 minus 47, and that equals let's do it again with the calculator, guys. 180 minus 95 minus 47, I get 38. So this angle here is 38. Is it exactly 38? Sorry, yeah, 38 degrees. Okay, I think, guys, I'm just going to get this side here because, well, why not? I could choose either this one or this one. It doesn't actually matter, but because I have y here, I'm going to use so I know x and I want to find y. I'm going to use the sine rule because I can do y over sine 38 equals x over sine 95, and I know x. So sine rule, I can say y over sine 38. Remember, we're doing the opposite angle. So y over sine 38 equals x, which I now know is 30.558, over this one, 95. So it's this side, this angle, opposite angle. So sine 95. So y is equal to 30.558 multiply across this sine 38 over sine 95. Y is equal to, take out this here, 30.558 times sine 38 over sine 95. And I get 18.8852. So note, I'm writing all these numbers down. 18.8852. Double check, is that what I said? 18.8852. Okay, good. So now I've got y. Let me just put, guys, a line down here because I'm about to do my third little bit of working. I might even do this. So first working to find x, second bit of working to find y, and then finally area equals, so the area equals, I need a half AB sine C. So it's a half x times y, so I've got x and I've got y, and then sine 47. So it's a half x 30.558 times y, and guys, I'm gonna have to move all this 1 second. Okay, so this times x times y, 18.8852 times sine 47 degrees, and you can do all that in one go. Let's do this here. I have a half 1/2 times 30.558 times 18. Can't read my own writing that there, guys. It's 18.8852 times sine 47, which equals 211.03. Now, actually, guys, he says 3 significant figures. So what I like to do is I'll put the whole thing down to, or 211.03, 211.03, like more than 3 significant figures, and then say that's approximately equal to 211. Okay, that's the past paper example, guys. Area of a triangle rule. Actually, sorry, I'm wrong. What am I doing? It says calculate the area of the quadrilateral, so I have to. That's the area of the triangle, and maybe I should have called this. Let's call this ABC. So this is area ABC. So then area ABCD, which is the quadrilateral, is 211 plus 250, which is 461 centimeters squared. Okay, that's it, guys. That is the past paper example, and that is area of a triangle.